welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Miss Yvette, and today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I really just wanted to sit down and do some really gorgeous natural soft glam makeup with you guys. Honestly, I feel like this is a mix between my soft glam and like fall glam. It's definitely a look that I would wear on a date, maybe even to brunch for real, but I just feel so pretty and like fresh face, but also I feel like I could change this lip to a fall lip and be ready to go out to dinner or just, you know, out on a fall night with my friends. This top is super cute as well. I've been wearing a lot of pieces lately from Now Rain. I'm not sure yet if I want to do a full haul because I actually got a lot of pieces from them and they're all bomb. So I think I might do a haul and just show you guys like how I've been styling everything. Let me know if you're interested. I know a lot of people have been asking, so that's where this top is from. I'll leave it down below if you guys want to shop them as well. And I do believe I have a coupon code. Today's scent I will leave down below. It is an AVON scent. It smells absolutely amazing. So thank you guys over at AVON for sending me one of your new samples. I did not know that AVON had perfumes. They have so freaking many and they are affordable. So you will be seeing more perfumes from AVON soon. But yeah, I hope you guys like this get ready with me. Let me know what you guys would like to see in the next get ready with me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. As usual, I'm starting out by moisturizing my lips, and of course I'll link everything down below for you guys, all the products that I'm using in today's video. I am just going to be going through the motions. I already started off with my brows done, and I'm dipping into this Naked palette. I'm one of those girls that once I find a palette that I love, that's it, I'm good. I got my starter 5, I don't need nothing else. I hate having so many products just laying around my house, crazy enough. I'm going in and I'm priming my lids first with some Urban Decay concealer. I love Urban Decay concealers because they're super pigmented, and what this is going to do is make sure that my eyeshadow pops against my natural skin and make sure that my eyeshadow doesn't crease or budge. And so once I have that patted in, I'm just going in with my first crease color, which is a natural brown that kind of imitates my skin but slightly darker, a little bit more depth, okay? And I'm just going to build up that color in both of my eyes. For me, when it comes to fall makeup, it's always browns, golds, oranges, mauves, any burgundies. Love those shades. Of course, I'm going to go in with this orange shade next just to help amplify up that warmness that I'm going for inside of my crease. And I always hear a lot of people say they don't know how to do eyeshadow. They don't feel confident doing eyeshadow. And honestly, I hate when people say that because all it takes is practice, guys. Literally, find the style that works for you. Eyeshadow, makeup in general, it's art, it's creativity. Do what works for you. Get in there and practice this and express yourself. That's all it takes. You can do it. Trust. So again, I'm just going in all over my lid, honestly, because I know I'm going to go ahead and clean it up later. And I'm just applying this color until I get the pigment that I like. So now here, I'm just going back and forth in with both brushes. I'm taking that orange on one brush, and then I'm going back in now with that brown and another brush, and I'm just deepening up the outer portion of my eye, focusing on that outer portion only. And then I'm going to pop back in with that same concealer that we use to prime our lids. And I'm going to take this on a flat shader brush. I love applying my liquids on the back of my hand to warm up the product before applying it to my face. It just really activates the product a little bit and gets it easier to blend, in my opinion. So that's just a little trick I've been doing over the years. Now once I go in on the back of my hand with that flat brush, I'm just going in step by step, taking my time, and I'm going in a patting motion to start forming my cut crease. I personally love the more rigid natural cut crease, or the half crease that I'm going for here, instead of going in precisely with like an actual harsh cut crease. Now I feel like it looks cute on some people, but for me, this is how I do my cut creases, okay? This is my everyday natural, quick, easy, go-to cut crease, all right? A half crease, and it just gives me what I want every time. So now I'm starting off by setting that concealer with the eyeshadow that I'm going to be using. However, it really, for me, is a 3-step process, and we'll go through that. So again, right here, I'm just literally just setting the eyeshadow, okay? I'm not really trying to do too much, but make sure that my eyes do not crease. And now what you're going to do is go in with some moisture. You can literally just take water if you don't have a setting spray. If not, you're going to wet your brush and you're going to dip back into that sparkly shadow, and you're going to reapply that to the same area. And as you can see, the pigment is so much better. It just looks so bomb. And now I'm just going back in with my brushes that I used earlier, not adding any more product, just blending out the product that's still on my eyes and on that brush. So sis, I have been doing my own eyelash extensions at home since quarantine, since COVID-19 came about, sis. And so it's critical for me to go back in with this liner to make sure that you don't see any glue, any residue. You know, I'm not a professional, but I do love saving a coin. So let me know down below if you guys would like to see how I do my own eyelash extensions at home. It literally costs like less than $5. So once I add my liner, then I'm going to go into the rest of my face. Nikki Tutorial said it best. To not prime is definitely a whole crime. Going in with my favorite by Milk Makeup, and then I'm stepping into my foundation. No color correcting today, sis. This is the Urban Decay foundation. You see me dripping all over the place, but this definitely gives me moisture. I absolutely love this foundation right now, and I believe I'm in 80 deep. So it is that holiday season, and I just want to remind you guys to take your vitamins, your vitamin D, especially if you deal with mental health issues like I do. If you deal with depression, anxiety, anything like that, sis, I am here for you. You are not alone. And just, yeah, make sure we're staying in tune with ourselves, guys, because it is that season. You know, especially if you deal with season depression, it is that time of the year. So I'm going in with my concealers. You guys should know it's a two-part deal. I usually go in with concealing first with my all-time favorite from e.l.f. And then I go in with my favorite high-end concealer, which is the NARS Creamy Radiant. And I use this to basically brighten up my under eye and give me that bright look that I absolutely love. If you're new here, one of the best beauty hacks that I've ever learned from YouTube, to be honest, maybe in my top 5, will be a beauty fan. I use this for my lashes. I use this every day in my makeup routine. And if you see me leaning over looking crazy like I'm gone in the wind, sis, I probably am, with my beauty fan, which you guys will see shortly. I absolutely love this to dry my concealer a little bit faster and just help with the pigmentation. It makes me look like a beat goddess. So if you haven't tried it, definitely look in the description box. I have you linked down below. Try it, sis. It's bomb. I'm going in with my concealer next to go ahead and contour. I'm using this one from Revolution, I believe. It is pretty bomb, but leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions, because I feel like sometimes it's a little bit too dark for me. So yeah, I'm just going in pretty lightly with that, and then I'm gonna set next with all of my favorite powders. Another beauty hack alert, because you know I got you covered. Next time you're contouring and you really want to get that chiseled look, try adding a sharp edge. I feel like I got most of my tips from Jackie Aina, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I used my old business cards, sis, no lie. Okay, shop me staring events now. But I used some business cards and I literally just hold it up against my face, and then I use the brush, and patting is your best friend in this case. But you do want to go back in like I am now and make sure you blend out those harsh edges, because you don't want to walk around with straight lines on your face. That's not cute, sis. That is not cute, okay? But definitely go in with this trick and let me know how it works out for you. Celebrity makeup artist Olivia Song is known for her beats on Instagram, okay? Especially on Lil Kim, and she was using a light pink, baby pink blush. Blame her, all right? I tried to imitate her look, and I feel like this one from Wet n Wild, it just, you see my face. I definitely went in with an old brush, which I feel like is most of the pigment here, but I'm not gonna give up. I think I'm gonna go to a higher end, maybe a luxury brand, and try this trick again. But the baby pink on dark skin is just to die for. Let me know if you've tried it in the comments down below. What do you think of this? It didn't turn out too bad. All right, looking good. If you haven't liked this video yet or subscribed, sis, stop what you're doing. Like, what are you doing? Come on now, come on. It is the season of giving. Go ahead and give a little bit. Now I'm going ahead and wiping away the excess powder that I have baking, and again, I'm leaving all of my products used in the description box, so I got you covered. So I'm just making sure to go ahead in and get that extra powder off. I have my liner on already. I'm just going to go ahead back in with my setting spray, which I believe is by e.l.f. I love e.l.f. setting sprays, super affordable, but they're bomb. And again, I have my beauty fan here on the go. A few of you asked me about this lip combo on my TikTok and on my Instagram, and what's crazy enough is this is the first time I've worn a Barbie pink lip in years, okay? The lipstick is from Urban Decay, which I absolutely love, and I believe the lip gloss is from e.l.f., but again, I'll leave all of the products that I use down below. I feel like a robot at this point, but you know, some people don't listen, so I'm gonna say it again. The products will be listed down below that I use for this combo as well, and honestly, guys, this completes the look. It's super bomb. I feel like I used a lot of affordable products for you guys, and I just can't wait to come back and try new trends. Let me know what you think of this look. If you're going to try any of the products down below, let me know which one was your favorite, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, love.